Hi, I'm Mark. I'm one of the founders of adeus. Little piece of advice, do not use ChatGPT to create your will. But if you'd like to use AI, if you'd like some guidance, come to adeus. Bottom right of the screen here, we have Addie. Addie is our helpful AI chatbot, and I'm going to ask her to help me create my will. Can you show me the steps to create my will? Addie is looking in our knowledge base. She doesn't go out to the broad internet, so we can be sure the accuracy of the information. This has all been reviewed by solicitors and professional will writers to make sure it's correct. It's not legal advice, but it is guidance, and she's going to step through all of the different things that we need to think about as we create our will, or in the digital vault, or the other legacy planning tools that we have within adeus. So Addie's actually creating an interactive tour ready to explore. So let's just wait for the little information button to come up here, and let's just follow Addie's advice. Quick walkthrough. So she's opening digital wills, answer a few questions, choose your preferences, review and sign, store and update. So she's told me what the process is going to be. So let's actually just start saying, click the digital wills button, click the create new will button. She's now taken me into the will flow. So all the questions that we need to ask. I've already started one because I wanted to show you something specific. Addie will answer questions based on exactly where you are within the process. So I've already put information about me. I put information about partner. Now we're on executor. So I don't know what an executor is. I don't know how to choose. So what is an executor and how do I choose? So Addie's looking through the knowledge base here. You can use this anywhere in the platform. There may be words that you're not familiar with: executor, guardian, beneficiaries. You can look for definitions, but you can also look for guidance on who best to choose. What are the pros and cons of different options there? So an executor is a personal organization that carries out your will and manages your estate. Choosing the right one matters because it's a key role. Gives a bit of a definition there. And now she's asking, would you like help weighing up a loved one versus a professional for your situation? So as I said, there are professional companies that do that, but actually most people choose a family member, a trusted contact, somebody that they know and trust, who can act on their behalf. And Addie's now going to look at what are the pros and cons of that. So she's actually just created this table dynamically, which means real time. Talks about a loved one, a professional, or a hybrid having co-executors. You can have more than one. Give me a little summary here at the bottom. So Addie is available all throughout adeus. Any questions that you have, if you're in the digital vault, you want to understand where do I store my cryptocurrency, where do I put my bank accounts, you can ask Addie. She'll either give you a guided tour or she'll give you specific information. So that's Addie, that's adeus, so much better than ChatGPT, trust me.